welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well today. It's pink parcel time. Now I've not had pink parcel for months, around about 6 or 7 months. I think I cancelled. However, I thought I cancelled. I didn't cancel. I put it on like suspend for 6 months when I thought I'd cancelled. So it's here. I've now cancelled, and I've not cancelled because I don't like the box. I've cancelled because you get Pink Parcel is a period subscription box, so you get your sanitary products that you need every month, and I have got enough to last me probably 3 years from having previous pink parcels, so that's why I cancelled. I love the box. Well, I've loved it. I used to have it and I used to love it, but as I said, I haven't had it in 6 months, so I don't dislike the box by any stretch of the imagination. I just don't need the sanitary towels and stuff, so it's now cancelled, but we've got one here. So this is how it comes. It is designed to fit through your letterbox. However, not once has it ever been put through my letterbox. The postman always rings the bell. So it's quite a big box. And it is £12.99 a month if you just do the... What am I doing? I'm peeling it the wrong way. That's off. Oh, that's satisfying. £12.99 a month if you do the month by month thing. If you do 3 months, it's £35.97. 6 months, it's £64.95. And 12 months, it's £129.90. If you do the 12 months, you get 2 months for free and a birthday treat. It's free delivery every month. But yeah, there's lots of things. I'll link it down below. I don't have any discount codes or anything. I don't think. There might be one in here, but if I've got one, I'll link it down below. But if not, then... Oh. I think... I've heard about this. I think this little envelope that comes here is for you to donate your products that you don't need, which is really good. So you get all these little bits of pink parcel post, and then you get your... Oh, I haven't got a for now one. That's weird. I think they've done it wrong. You normally get a little bag that says for now with your products in. Then you get a box that says for nighttime, which has got like the nighttime pads in. I think they must have just run out of bags, because this one has got bedtime pads in. You can specify if you want pads or tampons or both. I always get a mix. So that's got the bedtime ones in. And this one is the for now one, which has got tampons and panty liners in. So I think they must have just run out of the little bags. But you do usually get a little bag that says for now, for night, for later, which is more tampons and pads, and then the box that everyone cares about is this one that says for you, which is the treat box. I'll just quickly go through this little thing. So we've got a £40 HelloFresh card. We've got a... Oh, it says here, hey there, due to the overwhelming demand for pink parcels this month, we've unfortunately ran out of the for now bags, so we've placed your products inside a for night bag. So that's all that is. And then it's got a little thing here, which is this is one of the reasons I cancelled originally, because I kept getting it and I loved getting it, but as I said, I have so many boxes. Like, I've got a drawer down here which has probably got 12 of these in with all the pads. It's just insane. And then I've got a massive bag of tampons and pads. And I always kind of wanted to get the box but didn't want sanitary products, and I said that I'd like it if I could donate them. And then this thing here says 1 in 10 girls in the UK can't afford tampons and pads, and we can help. 27% of girls have used a tampon or a pad for longer than intended, and that's so dangerous, especially with tampons, for toxic shock syndrome. So dangerous. 40% of the girls in the UK have used toilet roll as a makeshift pad as they can't afford femcare. More than 137,000 school girls in the UK regularly miss school because they can't afford tampons. So what can I do? Simply collect the unused tampons and pads and place them in the prepaid postage bag provided. Tear off the complete the bag form and place it inside the bag alongside your femcare, and then sit back and they'll donate it, and it doesn't cost you anything. So you can do this, and there's Bloody Good Period, York Road Project, the Red Box Project, and Binti Dignity Period, and they're all charities where you can donate to, which is amazing. So I will definitely be doing that. All of these things will be going in here because I've already got enough. Super happy with that. Let's get into the box at 4 minutes in. So you get the pink parcel post, which tells you about it. I'm not going to look because I've seen no spoilers for this. So let's just get in to this. is what's in the For You box, and I can already see Candy Kittens, which excites me. Candy Kittens are just amazing. So I'm going to grab them first. Candy Kittens are gourmet sweets from London. They are just delicious. This is a little bag, and this is Eton Mess flavour, and obviously I'm going to try one now. All the like little foamy ones. Oh my god, they're yummy. They're vegetarian, gluten-free, natural colours and flavours, made with fruit juice. And they are, this bag will be about 8 cents on Kittens World. Okay, let's see how much they are. Candy Kittens is a full-size bag, and they're £1, and you can buy them at Sainsbury's. Oh my god, they're amazing. They're so yummy. Okay, next up, I've got a Laritzi, and this is a dew pot. So you get like, it's a mixture of things you get. You get makeup and sweets and skincare and all goodness. I love the packaging of Laritzi things. It just feels so expensive. Look at that. Oh, what is this? So this is a Laritzi Dew Pot. Apply the multi-purpose product to lips, cheeks and lids for a luminous glow. This is full size, and this is £20. Oh, and it's like a rose gold colour. It's gorgeous. Really, really pretty. Oh, I love that. Yeah. Excuse me, I'm at the end of a cough, annoying the crap out of myself. Next up, I've got an Oraiza, and this is a Beauty Glo Bomb. Oraiza are an awesome brand. I really, really like them. One of my favourite lipsticks ever is by them. Just here. What is this? Dewy Glo Bomb for skin, lips and nails. Oraiza Dewy Glo Balm, used as a subtle highlighter on cheekbones or as a glossy balm for lips and cuticles, suitable for even the most sensitive of skin, enriched with jojoba oil, shea butter and vitamin E, and there's lots of love about this balm, and it has UVA and UVB protection. This is full size and it's £11.95. I'm super excited to try that. Okay, next up, I've got a Sebamed, and this is a clear face mattifying cream. I feel like I've had something from Sebamed before, but I can't think what it is. A full size one of these is 50ml. This is only 10ml. Excuse my phone, that's my solicitor. And it's £5.69, so this is a fifth of the size. Massage into your skin after cleansing in the morning and at night. Keep T-zone shine at bay with the oil-free formula that controls sebum production and helps to prevent breakouts. Enriched with aloe and hyaluronic acids, mattifying cream, ideal for summer. Oh, that sounds really cool. I'm intrigued to try that. I'll let you know how that goes. Okay, next up, this is English Laundry. This is so pretty. This is, I think this is number 7? I don't know if this, oh my god, this is full size, and this is, fuck off, this is 50 quid. 60 quid. So English Laundry number 7. I think English Laundry is the brand, and then number 7 is the smell. Although it confused me a bit because I thought it was like number 7 makeup. So pretty. And this is a spray for her purse, and it's £60. That is redonkulonk. I think I might be getting Pink Parcel back again. Oh, let's see if it smells nice. Might be gross. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. It says, pack in your carry-on for an instant spritz of summer wherever you go. Sensuous jasmine muddled with sweet vanilla and sparkling pear make this a standout fragrance. Upgrade to the 50ml eau de parfum from our pink shop. I'm confused. How big is this? Just throwing the box away. It says full size. See, this says 10ml. Okay, no. This is 10ml, a 10ml sample, but it's a full size sample. But the full size is £60. So this is around about a tenner. So that's still really good. But I was a bit confused there because it says full size, and then it says £60 for full size. It's early in the morning. I have toddlers. It's fine. My brain's just farting away. Next up, we've got a space mask. I absolutely love these. I think I've had one of these before, definitely. I don't know if I've got it from Pink Parcel before, if I've got it from somewhere else. But this is a self-heating eye mask. Pop this coveted cult mask over your eyes to indulge in a chill out session on the plane or at your hotel. The dreamy scent of jasmine and the product's warming sensation is a comforting combination that helps to drift you off into space. £15 for a box of 5. I will link everything down below. I love this. I think I've done a video on it. If I have, I'll link it up there. I'm taking this on the aeroplane when we go on holiday because yes, love it. Okay, oh my god, I'm just chucking everything everywhere. My last item, you always get tea or coffee, and I've had this before. This is a tea bag, but it's coffee, and it's Lions, or yeah, Lions, Lion, I don't know. This is number 3. This is roasted coffee in a tea bag. They're really cool. It's £2.60 for a box of 18. I won't use this because I only drink decaf coffee, but I've had the decaf one and it is really good, so I would definitely recommend these. Again, this will probably come on holiday with us, and I'll give it to my mother-in-law because she loves coffee. So yeah, I'm super excited by that. I really like it. I'm super happy, and I am considering now maybe seeing if I can get a Pink Parcel subscription for my birthday because I like it. And I'm really happy that you can now donate your products because that was my main beef. So yeah, I'll add it all up and put it on the screen how much it's worth. But if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.